was to a man who had made it difficult for him to rise to the presidency. But he was forgiving, he was magnanimous, and that was it. Many people would have expected by now that all those who stood in his path to leadership would be dealt with the way his people are being dealt with. Being arrested, taken to court, being harassed by KRA. But the president decided, in accordance with the teachings of the Bible, that we need to reconcile this nation. And that is why we have a peaceful country. And Your Excellency, we want to thank you for carrying us along. One example, it may look small, but it was very inspiring to those of us who work with the president. The last prayer breakfast here was a very toxic affair, full of tension,